I just unloaded out of the truck. I was going to do something with it, and all of a sudden I see it's a late model motor, and the dead giveaway was the engine cases right here. They came out with this in mid '76, so this is it's a KZ1000 because the VIN number says KZT. We're going to take this motor and get it running, and then we're going to try to find a Z1 motor that is somewhat compatible. So our main goal here was to get it rolling so we can test the transmission on this engine. So we're going to see what happens here. Okay, thanks. We're in the middle of changing the oil on it. We're going to go through it a little bit. As you can see, we sell these magnetic drain plugs here at Johnny's. This is gooned. This is totally gooned. We're lucky we got that out of there. See how it's gooned. Then we have on this particular exhaust pipe, it's got a Vance and Hines muffler on it, collector, whatever you want to call it. But we can't get the oil filter off with this pipe on here. So we are going to have to take the pipe off to get the oil filter out. And the oil is, it came out, see the dirt and oil here? See where my fingernails at? Those little spots, that's the dirt. So anyway, we're gonna take this off, and as Kenny pulls the pipe off, we're gonna address a few things. So far, so good on all that. But our goal here is we just want to hear the motor run, and we're gonna video it, make sure it's good. Then we're gonna mark out the motor because we're gonna put a Z1 in there. I got the clutch cover off, and I'm gonna run my finger through the oil here. I mean, it's not bad. There's a really good chance that this bike is good on the inside. You can still see my skin, so it's not the end of the world. But we're gonna wipe this down a little bit, but I think we're gonna be okay. So far, so good. However, from sitting, the plates got brittle. Some of them are broken, some aren't. So we're gonna put a couple different plates in here. We're gonna change all the clutch plates, and then we're gonna clean these up. Now we're gonna check these to see if these are warped or not, but they still got the wear dots on them here. So we're gonna see what's going on here. Now, I never used a gasket like this before, and this is like a metal gasket. Hear it? I think we can reuse this. So we're going to try to reuse this. So we're going to change the oil and put some clutch parts in it and see how it is. It's got a Dyna ignition in it. Got Dyna top coils. So we're going to try to fire her up, see what happens here, and we'll get back with you momentarily. How about this extra special race oil cap? I guess they drilled it out to save a little weight or something. I'm not sure about that. Okay, it's snowing, and here's our KZ1000 that we're gonna sell the motor separately from the frame. So here we go. We're gonna try her out, see what happens. Been a while since you started.
And one if the firing orders.
out now, and it's not smoking once we got it started. So we don't know how long it's been sitting. Of course, we're going to have to sell the motor as is, but we're going to tell you if the transmission is any good or not. Here we go. Second gear. Okay, so here's our summary here. Once we got it running, it stopped smoking. I don't know if it's got any valve seals issues or whatever, we don't know. We're going to pull the motor out of the frame right now because we're going to try to restore this motorcycle. However, the fork did come up like that. You know, you learn something every day when you work on these. So,
by the way, these are tight.
What we're going to do is we're going to strip it, and we're going to sell the motor as is. It does shift through all 5 gears, so we're selling it as is, and we just changed the oil on it. It's got new Spectro 1040 in it. So we will be offering this engine for sale. We're getting ready to pull this motor out. We're going to offer this motor for sale. As we said before, it ran good. Stopped smoking after it was running. I do believe this is a good engine. And if you look, you know, I mean, there's no rust in it. The cams look like they're pretty cool. So we'll be offering this for sale, and we're going to pull her out right now as we speak. So also we have to pull the oil filter cover off to get this out.
And drain plug.
So we are going to put a new oil filter in it before the sale. And as if you look here, this is the bolt that goes through it for the oil. It's got the washer as well as the spring. And here's a new magnetic drain plug that we're also going to put back in it that we replaced. A lot of times people just goon the head of it, and we didn't want that for anybody. All right, Kenny.
All right, John.
Here's how we do her. Okay, sprites it off. Okay.
I got it.
I'm coming to the side. We never grab the shift shaft.
Take your time.
Ever, because it's heavy. You're better off grabbing exhaust studs or something if you can. Never grab the shift shaft. Ready? Here we go. Okay, now you have it. We're gonna put the cam cover back on. We're gonna put the oil filter. We're gonna put another new oil filter in it because just because. So here you go, and we're gonna be offering this for sale. Thanks a lot.